Hi, I'm Jim Zuck. I'm the Director of Marketing and Regulatory Compliance for Marshall Excelsior and BASE Engineering. So we've worked very hard to put together some new products and synergies and tying together synergies between Marshall Excelsior and BASE Engineering. One of those products that we're debuting here is the new Excela-Wynd Hose Reel. It's been about 3 years in development with a lot of feedback from the industry. Wanted to develop a product that was much easier on the driver, much more efficient, saves time, saves money, able to make more stops per day. Also can be utilized with the BASE ASK remote control technology or the new BASE PC3 remote that's got function range feedback for the driver. Also, one of the other new products that we're debuting is the new ME1075 hose-in valve. So again, all stainless steel construction, brought the Excela-flange technology to the end of the hose. So very easy from a serviceability standpoint to simply remove the forced cap screws and swap a valve out in the field. More ergonomic handles, all stainless internal construction. And then also to maximize the functionality and the flow rate for maximum serviceability.
I'm Toby Burke, the Vice President of BASE Engineering. So with the marrying of the two companies of Marshall Excelsior and BASE Engineering, it's really allowed us to take our technologies that traditionally didn't speak and combine them to make a lot smarter, more intuitive, easier to run truck, by bringing the two companies together and then ultimately having the ability to control the smart reel that we now have. It changes the game a little bit and makes us a really complete picture. So one of the really cool things about some of the collaboration projects that we worked on is the Accu-Max Plus digital dial. And so basically we went to work to turn a traditionally analog dial into a digital dial. So yeah, you might ask why, what makes this better than a traditional analog dial? And it's the fact that we put a gyroscope in this and it allows us to sense tilt. Well, why tilt? So imagine if you had a bobtail and it was loading and maybe it was parked on a curb or a little bit of a hole in the ground. This one will actually adjust with the tilt of the truck. So we actually get a corrected volume. Now, if you think it through, the next iteration of that was, what happens if my truck tips over? Well, we have a gyroscope in here. So if the truck was driving down the road, if it tipped over, we don't know how much is in that because the traditional analog gauge wouldn't show the proper amount anymore. Well, when we tilt this one, we actually show that tilt has activated. So the truck went over, it's now laying on its side in the ditch. So this actually will send a signal to our base station unit that actually says, hey, we got a problem, here's where the truck is, it's in the ditch, you might want to call somebody.
So to wrap up, thank you very much for taking a quick run through with us on the new products that we've just launched, and look forward to seeing you out in the industry. Stay safe.